student, today in the class of chemistry, chapter first, today we will discuss gaseous state. So now firstly discuss general properties of gas. Dear student, gas neither be defined shape and nor be defined volume. Gas have neither be defined shape and neither be defined volume. Dear student, it is because the gaseous particle have larger space between them and therefore gaseous molecule freely move. And this is the reason that neither be definite shape and neither be definite volume of the gas. Okay, student. Now discuss density of gas lower than those of solid and liquid. Dear student, it is because the gases take larger space as compared to liquid and solid. Again, gases occupy larger space means larger volume as compared to liquid and solid. This is the reason that the density of gas is lower than those of liquid and solid. Now, melting and boiling point of gas are below room temperature. Dear student, the interparticle space and interparticle force of attraction. The interparticle space between the gaseous molecule are larger, and for this the interparticle force of attraction is weaker than solid and liquid. When we heat a solid or liquid or gas, the interparticle force of attraction became weaker and weaker, and then the molecule of the solid, liquid or gas convert into the gases and move randomly. But in gaseous state, the particles are already in gas. So, because the boiling point and melting point of this liquid is lower than the room temperature. Okay, student. Here, highly compressible gases are highly compressible due to interparticle space between the gaseous molecule are larger. Therefore, the gas are compressible. Here are the two examples of the compressed gas like CNG and LPG. Yes, student, CNG is compressed natural gas and LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Dear student, for making CNG, we apply pressure on the gas, and for liquefaction of petroleum gas, also apply the pressure and lower the temperature. Okay, student. So these are the example of compressibility of gas, and it is a proof of gas are compressible in nature. Dear student, now expand on heating. Gases expand on heating, but contract on cooling. When you heat a gas, the gaseous molecule expand from their position. But when you cool the gas, gaseous molecule come closer to each other. Okay, student? Gases allow diffuse easily into one another. This is diffusion. Dear student, gas diffuse in each other very easily. That is called diffusion of the gas. The reason is that due to high speed of the gas, dear student, gaseous molecule move randomly with high velocity. and intermolecular space between the gas are very large. Okay, due to presence very large space between the gas, and gases molecule contain high velocity, move with high velocity gases, so diffusion, gases diffuse in each other. Okay student, the example is, dear student, fragrance of perfume is spread in air. Dear student, when you open your perfume, dear student, the perfumes smell spread in the room. It is because the gases molecule present in the as a smelling substance in the perfume is diffused into the air, and this is the reason smelling of perfumes. Next, the spreading of virus on sneezing. Dear student, when you sneezing, achhi, now, okay, then the droplets which contain the virus, sneeze out from your nose and mouth and spread in the air, and this is the reason the pupils who contact in the air in which the droplets are mixed, they also become sick. Okay student, so here the virus is spread into air by the sneezing is also a case of diffusion. Okay student, next example is smelling of food. Dear student, your mothers cook food in kitchens, but the smell of delicious food come to your study room. It is because the smelling substance of the food is spread into air, diffuse into air, and come through the air into your nostrils, your nose. Okay student, next example, dissolving of O2 and CO2 in seawater. Dear student, you know that some kinds of plant and animals live in the water, and you also know that plant can take carbon dioxide and animals take oxygen. The oxygen which taken by the animals and carbon dioxide taken by the plant are mixed into air or water, seawater, and the reason is that they survive their life in the water. Aquatic animals survive their life in water. It is because or due to diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the water. It is the property of gas. Diffusion property of gas. Due to diffusion property of gas, aquatic animals survive their life in water. Okay student, now discuss. Dear student, when a gas convert into liquid, the conversion of gas into liquid by the cooling of the gas, this process is known as condensation. Condensation is a process in which after the cooling of a gas convert into liquid. Okay. Dear student, it is why the gas convert into liquid. Dear student, you know that the space between the gas is larger, whereas the space between the intermolecular space between the liquids is smaller space. It is because intermolecular force of attraction force increased by the decreasing temperature. Dear student, when you cool the gas, when you cool the gas, the intermolecular force of attraction became increased and gases come to closer to each others, and gases particle which are spread far apart to each others, they come to close and convert into liquid. Okay. There should here is the example carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is the example of intermolecular force increased by the decreasing temperature. Dear student, here carbon dioxide gas, when we apply low temperature and high pressure on the gas, when we reduce the temperature or lowering the temperature and pressure increase the pressure, then gas directly convert into solid carbon dioxide. Gases carbon dioxide directly convert into solid carbon dioxide, that is known as dry ice. Dry ice. Here the gas directly convert into solid without converting to liquid. The process in which a gas convert into solid without converting liquid is known as sublimation, and the substance which gone to sublimation is known as sublimable substance. So here carbon dioxide on lowering temperature and increasing pressure, it convert into solid carbon dioxide, that is dry ice. So carbon dioxide is a sublimable substance. Okay, student. And another example of the increasing force between the molecule by the decreasing temperature is, dear student, when you take a glass and put some ice cube in the glass, then you observe some droplets present on the side of the glass. Why? Dear student, when you put the ice cube in the glass, the vapors which are present in atmosphere are come into the contact of the glass wall, and here the temperature of glass wall is lower than the temperature of the gas present in the room. So when gaseous particle or vapor particle come closer to the wall of the glass which contain ice cube, then it will be condensed. They condense and convert from gases to convert into liquid. So here the droplets present come from the air. Okay, student. It is the example of condensation of water. Dear student, the pressure applied by the gas particle per unit area on the walls of the vessels is called pressure of the gas. What is the pressure of gas? The pressure applied by the gas of the gas on the container in which gas are kept is known as pressure of the gas. Dear student, when we kept the gases in a cylinder, gases apply pressure on the wall of cylinder. This pressure is known as pressure of the gas. But you know that in atmosphere gases are present. So gases apply the pressure on atmosphere. The pressure which are applied by the gases in atmosphere is known as atmospheric pressure. Okay, student, is known as atmospheric pressure. Dear student, scientifically measured at sea level, atmospheric pressure is 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere, that is known as in short 1 atm. Dear student, if you want to convert 1 atmospheric pressure, that is 1 atm pressure into Pascal, then you write 1 atmospheric pressure as a 1.01325 into 10 raised to the power 5 Pascal. Okay, student? Dear student, I think you understand well gaseous states and their properties. Take a screenshot of the given content on the whiteboard and read your NCERT book. Thank you very much.